8:03. Ito ang maganda sa campsite na to. Kasi sa umaga, tsaka pag mahangin, tatabunan siya tatakpanan ka ng mga malalaking puno. Dito yung east. So, hindi ka maaarawan. Kuha na tayo ng breakfast.
Hello guys, this is my mom's cutting stand. It's breakfast, day 3, we're going home.
Breakfast ng mga
Breakfast of champions. Mga sakalam.
Did you know that most birds move like they're doing a funny dance?
kuwang-kuwa kuya.
Hello, this is the last day and we're cleaning. Look at this guy. And then we're cleaning up the sleeping bag. And he's just there. These are all the things we used. We can't play Monopoly right now. What is my brother doing? But right now we have the sleeping bag already cleaned up. It took us like seconds. But anyways, this is our ring toss. We used it for today, and look how windy it is out there. You can look at the shadows. The shadows are moving so fast. My let's see. Mom, not what? So anyways, this is this is what we used, but it's not, doesn't look like that. I'm trying to focus on it. That is CeraVe Anti-Itch. It's very good. It's kind of expensive, but it really helps with itching. Yeah. And we bought the bag from Outbound, so everything here is Outbound.
Everything is outbound. So, outbound.
If
you hear us,
we
please sponsor our next, our next camping. Yes,
we are bound to the out now. Anyways, here's a segment of my brother dancing. So we're back again. We're going out. So We have what's these clean shoes are very clean. Okay, that is our. Let's go over here. That's our string lights. That's our string lights. The solar. Oh yeah.
Kapag likpit na din kami. Mga past 12 na. Luluto na lang ng tanghalian. Ito na lang. Konting ligpit na lang. Dito na lang kami kakain sa malilim. Aming barbecue guy, macho guy. Wow! Chicken. Lunch.
Yummy.
Wala nang gulay. Wala nang hugasan. Kain na ang mga kids. Una na sila kasi hindi pa luto yung chicken na tayo.
Wala yung sarap eh. Spicy sauce to.
No.
Spicy.
One ketchup, Lai?
Ito, nahugasan mo to.
Oo, naugasan na yun.
Stop it, Eli, ah. What are you doing?
Uwian na.
Uy, ano?
Check out is 2 o'clock. Nag-check out kami ng 2:32. And dito na nga natatapos ang aming first family camping. And it exceeded my expectations. Parang ang feeling ko hindi kami nag-camping eh. Feeling ko parang nag-overnight swimming kami. Bumalik yung pakiramdam ko nung bata pa ako na madalas kaming every April, madalas kaming nag-family reunion. Tapos ano yun, overnight swimming. Kaya yung aking homesickness medyo naibsan dahil dito sa aming little adventure. Wala kami masyadong nagawa but we are thankful kasi at least nakapag-lunch pa kami. Kasi sa mga ibang campground, maaga yung kanilang check-out. So, dito na lang hanggang sa susunod. Bye-bye!